This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable auto-delete messages on the Telegram app. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Telegram here. I have the Telegram app opened up now. To set your messages to automatically delete after a period of time, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the Settings dialog box, I am going to click on Privacy and Security. And then the second thing down, Auto Delete Messages. As you can see, I currently have it turned off. By default, yours is probably turned off, but I'm going to click on Auto Delete Messages. And it gives me several different options. The top one, I currently have toggled. The whole thing is toggled off. I could toggle on after 1 day, after 1 week, after 1 month. I could set a custom time. If I click on Set a Custom Time, it'll let me choose 1 day, 2 days, and so on. I'm going to hit Cancel. Down below this it says, if enabled, all new messages and chats you start will be automatically deleted for everyone at some point after they are sent. You can also apply this setting for your existing chats. If you click on this, it'll bring up any existing chats. As you can see, I don't have any existing chats. That is how to auto-delete your messages in Telegram. Thanks for watching.